من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, so here we have the sweet corn that we're going to boil. It's fresh, but it's just packed in tubes. All the husks or the leaves been taken off. So we're gonna boil it as it is, not cut it in half. So the only thing you need in this is just the sweet corn, salt, and this spice. Let me just show you because it's frozen. I don't know the name in English, but in Pashto it's called inale. It looks like mint, but it doesn't taste nothing like mint. So this is a frozen. Fresh. It was fresh, then we froze it. Okay, so all of the sweet corn in there. Okay, first you need to wash the corn first. So we give it a good wash. Okay, so we took the water off from the washing. Now we're gonna fill it with water. So we got 7 packs in there. In each pack you got 2 sweet corn. So we got 14 whole sweet corns. Okay, so all of that goes in there, in the lid, and we'll put 3 spoons of salt. Don't forget the water is gonna be drained out, so the salt, if you put too much salt in there, it doesn't really matter. So about 3 spoons is enough. Okay, now so you give it a stir. And we'll close the lid for about 1 hour. We're gonna give it the pressure for about 1 hour. Okay. Okay, just waiting for the whistle to go off. Then we'll start counting from there. So it should take around 1 hour after the whistle. Any of you remember these cameras? 35mm film cameras. So this started to see. Okay, so here we're gonna make a masala for the boiled sweet corn. This is an optional, you don't have to make it, but if you like it, you can make it. So the spices are this is a garlic powder, chili flakes, chili powder, paprika, salt, black pepper, and this is the chaat masala. Okay, so this is the masala. It's been made. Okay, so it's been 1 hour. Now I'm gonna turn the gas off and wait for the pressure to be released. Okay, so the pressure is gone. Okay, so that's the sweet corn all done. I think we need to mix it so all that spice on the top there reaches the rest of the corn. Okay, so that's the sweet corn. You can add, squeeze lemon, black pepper, or the spice we made. And this is how you eat it. You just, eat it as it is on the cob. Okay, so this is the spice we made when we sprinkle on it all over, and we squeeze the lemon on it, and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching our video. Please do subscribe. Until next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.